Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, staring at your screen, trying to figure out how to make smarter financial decisions. You've got two AI tools in front of you, ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Both promise to help you level up your wealth game, but here's the catch. Only one of them will truly align with your goals. What if you pick the wrong one? What if you waste time, money, and opportunities? Stick around, because today, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one can help you build the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Now, before you start thinking, oh great, another AI comparison video, let me stop you right there. This isn't just about tech specs, it's about your future. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics: ease of use. Because let's be real, if you're trying to make money and build wealth, you don't have time to wrestle with complicated tools. ChatGPT is like that friend who's always ready to chat. You type in a question, and boom, you get an answer. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and perfect for quick financial advice like budgeting tips or investment strategies. But here's the thing, sometimes it's too general. Ever asked ChatGPT for stock recommendations and gotten a response that feels like it was written for a fifth grader? Yeah, not exactly helpful when you're trying to make serious money moves. Now, DeepSeek, this is where things get interesting. DeepSeek is like the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. It's designed for deeper analysis, which means it can crunch complex financial data and give you insights that ChatGPT might miss. But, and this is a big but, it's not as beginner-friendly. You might need to spend some time learning how to use it effectively. So, here's the question. Are you looking for quick answers, or are you willing to put in the work for deeper insights? Because in the world of wealth building, time is money, and the wrong choice could cost you both. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about something even more critical: accuracy. Because what good is a tool if it gives you bad advice? Accuracy and reliability. All right, let's get serious for a moment. When it comes to your finances, accuracy isn't just important, it's everything. One wrong piece of advice, and you could lose thousands. ChatGPT is great at generating ideas, but it's not always reliable. Because it's trained on data up to 2021. And let's face it, the financial world moves fast. If you're asking for the latest stock trends or crypto predictions, ChatGPT might give you outdated info. That's a one-way ticket to losing money. Now, DeepSeek, on the other hand, is built for precision. It's constantly updated with the latest data, which means you're getting insights that are not just accurate but also actionable. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your fun, chatty friend who means well but sometimes gets things wrong. DeepSeek, it's the no-nonsense financial advisor who always has the receipts. But here's the kicker. DeepSeek's accuracy comes at a cost. It's not free, and it might require a subscription. So you've got to ask yourself, is the price worth the peace of mind? Because in the end, the cost of a mistake could be far greater than the cost of a subscription. Speaking of costs, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: money. Because let's be honest, if you're not thinking about ROI, are you even adulting? Final point, long-term potential. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And the tool you choose today could determine where you are 5 years from now. ChatGPT is fantastic for quick wins. Need a budget template? Done. Want a list of side hustle ideas? Easy. But if you're serious about long-term financial growth, you need more than just quick answers. You need a tool that grows with you. That's where DeepSeek shines. Its ability to analyze trends, predict outcomes, and provide in-depth insights makes it a powerhouse for long-term wealth building. Think of it as your personal financial strategist, helping you navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence. So, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for convenience and affordability, ChatGPT might be the way to go. But if you're ready to invest in your future and take your wealth building to the next level, DeepSeek is the clear winner. Now, before you go, let me ask you this. What's the one financial goal you're working toward right now? Drop it in the comments, I want to hear from you. If you're ready to take your wealth building journey to the next level, don't stop here.